coming back to New York, we'll send some your way, okay?
39.8.
When you push on the volunteer and ask for you sign in, go in
I don't think
under
we've had a
Hudgens,
Western.
Renee,
We had an Eastern
whatever.
earlier.
Weight
I'd have to,
is
she said it was
7.4.
easier if you just leave the password for me. To change that, he told me he had me under J-E-R-R-Y.
Whoops, I dropped it.
Hatcher Mail,
But I
Northern
have
Peru.
one. So,
Lots of color on these guys.
Well, you
Yes,
got
he
a lot of
is.
color.
Beautiful.
I mean,
And that's just the first year, so
okay.
gorgeous.
All right, buddy.
I'll forget.
it's tiny compared to even the
Isn't he? That's one of the tiny.
Should have had quite a bit more though. I have a feeling.
Well, you probably have more females than males.
Yeah, we've had.
Black-throated blue,
I believe it.
the greens in the treetops, common yellowthroat, and red start, those four.
Going to take a momentary pause, do a quick net run, come back and finish up these. Alright, we're going to take a momentary pause. Black poles and pines and bay breasteds, okay? You'll see this guy has streaks in the back and streaks on the front. That's a good sign for a black pole. Also, notice his legs have a lot of yellow tones to it. Like that yellow line comes up the leg.
Doesn't have that orange on top of the head.
I didn't realize they were so small.
Their heads. You know. Stop that, buddy.
And he's protecting his eyes as he looks like he's got like a film that goes.
He's got it, yeah, it's the nictating membrane. All birds have that. On the chest, very large white eye stripe with a black line above the white. And the eye on this one is brown. It's a young bird.
Okay.
And they become adult birds. The eye bank there,
Yeah, yeah.
Townsends don't have,
Don't have that.
Also, Townsends have yellow that come down the side where the black streaks are. So we can tell that this is not a Townsend. So I'm going to move his head up, Gary.
Black-throated greens, but no black-throated blues. They don't go down that far. They only
They're
go
very cool
mid-Texas.
No, these guys won't do it. Yeah, AHY.
He's shaking. And
I think
he's
it's
a
more
mature.
that's me. Yeah, an
nice.
adult bird.
Let me take a picture of that.
So he's got a lock on target while the branch is moving. He's going to take out that bird
That's
on your
brilliant.
chest.
Wow.
That is awesome, isn't it? Wow, how do they do that?
I think it looked good on the
Isn't
black.
that awesome?
That is.
First.
There we go. Perfect. Turn his head where I hit your arm. That's all right.
Okay, we good on this one? I don't want to hold on to it. It's very cute.
Very cute.
There's two different, this is just a palm warbler, but there's two different races. There's yellows and westerns. This is the yellow.
I'm going to bring right that left here.
This is Winston's ball.
So our nets are made just to catch small stuff, and the netting is really small.
Copy for you.
And so we're just targeting four small birds. Mainly warblers, vireos, thrushes, sparrows.
So it won't get hurt.
Now and then we'll catch a little bit bigger stuff. Brown thrashers is about as large as it normally gets.
Oh, that's wonderful, isn't it? Okay.
The prize for the lightest, smallest bird we'll catch.
11.
I'll bring this out there for you.
11 is.
Do you ever bring them?
And they didn't have very many.
We what?
They're just beginning to come. Yeah.
What's that?
This is a bad day. It's super cold because they come in behind cold fronts.
Yeah,
And cold,
Eye ring, top
Wait.
and bottom.
Don't argue with Jethro.
Hey, he can tell.
I
when
can
the
identify it in the
baby-
bag.